how do you see now the present crop of senators as
Jojo, very different. Doon,
comparatively?
you go to the plenary to listen and you're so amazed. My God, they're such oratorical skills, the way they, they weave
The
in and out.
demeanor, both in stance and in
Ngayon,
words.
parang,
no?
Parang ayaw mo nang sabi, seriously, this is the debate? No, both in the Senate and in the House. And in the House, there's not much plenary activity. Parang inaayos-ayos na lang. Tapos, I was surprised with Congressman Erice, who delivered a very impassioned speech several days ago.
Yes.
So, parang blip na lang yung mga magagaling magsalita at talagang ang oratorical skills napaka-taas. Sa Senado,
wala nang ganun.
Wala na eh. I miss the days when I was there. It was the time of Salonga, Neptali Gonzales. I mean, these are
Defensor,
heavyweights. Miriam Defensor, Joker Arroyo. So, ikaw parang, even Serge Osmeña. Oo.
Right.
Pag tinanong ka ni Serge Osmeña, medyo yung mga ibang mahihina, lapit sa kanya, Serge, baka naman pwedeng wag mo mang diinin. But now,
hindi na.
It's terrible.
What happened kaya?
I think it's also a reflection of the changing demographics eh. Nagbabago yung botante, nagbabago yung mga kandidato, nagbabago rin yung mga uri ng leader na nahahalal. So, I guess it's a cycle and I hope one day we find the wind back to really great public servants who have the public first in mind.